Today we are making dog food. Chickpeas and 2 cups of black beans. We cook them ourselves and we freeze them. I dump in a bag of sweet potatoes, peas and carrots. Dump in a bag of cauliflower. And I toss in some oats, some nutritional yeast, some parsley, some ground flax and chia, turmeric, wheatgrass. So then I add some water. So that's almost 6 cups of water in there. On high heat, boil it and then simmer it for a bit. I'll give it a fishy taste and also give it some salty flavor. I'll lower it down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I take my immersion blender. Recommend letting it cool down. It's fairly thick. And when it cools down, it'll be even thicker. I make them into dried dog food or wet dog food. Actually both. I'll just let that cool down. This is what it looks like coming out of the refrigerator. So I take 2 scoops of this, throw it on the sill mat, and I smooth it out, make it about 1/4 of an inch thick. It's out looking like this. Then I take banana and I smear it on the bottom. So I take a little piece of banana, now this is my Breville dehydrator. I'll stick it inside of here. So you already got a couple of them inside there. Okay, it's been a couple of hours. Test them to see if they're mushy. This one's still a little mushy. This one's nice and not. This one's a little mushy on the center, not on the edge. So these 2 are ready. Okay, so what I do is I take it after it cools down a little bit, put it in a plastic bag, and I crack it. So those little crumbs don't get everywhere. And I make it into little bite-sized pieces. Nice, smell it, you smell it? Okay, sit for me. Okay, try that. Like it? I think he likes it. Okay, so we broke them up and now we'll see if the dog likes it.
Sit? Yes.
Think he likes it?
I don't think he's gonna leave any left behind. I think he's gonna eat it all up.